Yeah, we were talking all night long. Thought we had it going on. Felt she was feeling me, but I was wrong. She blew up our conversation all nonchalant when she dropped the boyfriend bomb. She dropped the boyfriend bomb. She said he's got himself a PhD and some oceanfront property. Sounds like he's got the D. If I knew she was taking, I wouldn't have wasted all that time and heartache on her. Cause we were talking all night long. Thought we had it going on. Felt she was feeling me, but I was wrong. She blew up our conversation all nonchalant when she dropped the boyfriend bomb. Yeah, it feels good. She dropped the boyfriend bomb. Whoa, no. I told you it's sad.